Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how you can actually go and sign up for Cryptomania profile. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have, and download the Cryptomania application. Now guys, when you do that, you just need to go and follow these few steps that I'll be showing you to go and sign up to your profile. So first of all, this is the application where you will be in. Then you need to go and tap on these three dots here, and here you have the sign up or sign in option. Here we of course need the sign up option, which we will click, and then you can choose if you want to do it via email, Google, or the Apple I'm going to click on email, and I'm going to put my name. So by the way guys, just so I tell you, these informations that I put here are not my real informations. They're just for the sake of this video. Then put my email, password. We can confirm the password and click sign up. And that's basically that guys. We have the profile here, we have the sign up reward. As you can see, we can of course click on collect to collect it, and we as you can see have our profile, which we can of course, if we want, go and change or do whatever we want. So basically we are now a member of the Cryptomania profile. As you can see, the Cryptomania family, of course. That's that guys for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining. If you did guys, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.